Hello everybody! Time to give away some free stuff. We're going to do it right after this.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so, first and foremost, thank you to everybody who subscribes. Whether you subscribed recently, you're one of my first subscribers, all of you. Thank you so much. I can't believe it feels like just yesterday we were doing a 700 and now we're doing an 800. And we're on our way to 9. So, amazing. I'm just getting a little verklempt. So, we're going to do the giveaway. I'm sorry I'm a little late today. We were at an auction that ran a little late. And it is what it is. I can only do so much. But I'm going to stay and burn the midnight oil editing this video so we can get it out there so that the winner can get their free swag. Remember, billboards are okay. If you rent the billboard, just make sure to blow up the image so that like everybody on the highway can see it. That's fine. I'm okay. I'm giving you permission to do that with any of the logos you get. All right, enough rambling. Let's get to the drawing. All right, here we go. We've got the URL in there. We got filtered duplicate users. We gotta uncheck that because we don't want that. We have filter comments by specific text. We're gonna type yay 800. Then we are going to get comments. We got 28 entries. We're gonna pick a winner. Good luck, everybody. Well, congratulations, Squanch Patrol. You're the big winner. All right, and congratulations, Squanch Patrol. You are tonight's big winner. Congratulations. Reach out to me via Instagram, Facebook, or by email. And we can get what size of shirt you want, either the XL or the 3XL. Get you some stickers and a few cards signed by us, the Pittsburgh Pickers. Thanks so much for watching, and again, thank you to everybody who entered. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. Just thank you for watching. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. Bye.
Good day, sir!